grade 4. Panahon po sa Monica ha? Charing. Sige. Second placer goes to... Second placer goes to... Balunang Elementary School, Grade 3! And our winner goes to Grade 4! Sige. Sibong sa dito sa mga picture sa sila.
Congrats!
Sige, sibong. Congratulations, Grade 3! Alas sana o, 7,000. O, dili yata ng 7,000 to. Di na mo sa'yo balik. Charing. Congratulations, Grade 3! Okay. And our winner for our Nuti Dance Contest goes to Grade 4 Balulang Elementary School! Okay, congratulations! They will receive 7,000 pesos. For those